Hello, I am Arfa. Can I build a gaming PC using just office supplies? Let's find out. Using the random office supplies is the setup. Gather mix of PC parts and office supplies, keyboard, mouse, GPU, sticky notes, paper clips, and let's get to work. Start the build. Let's try to connect paper clips to the motherboard. We can use sticky notes as thermal paste. Also, let's tie components together with rubber bands. It's working, guys. Let me reveal it for you. Explosion. Boom. Guess that didn't work. Maybe next time? Like if you enjoyed, and comment your craziest tech ideas.